How to enable end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger. So if you want to enable end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger, then first open up your Messenger application, and then now you can simply go for the upper right, which has that pencil shaped icon, and from here you can type for a name or a group. So for example, I'll be choosing, once you've chosen, now you can simply go for the upper right, and here you can see that you have log shaped icon and it says end-to-end encrypted. So this chat is end-to-end encrypted. So if you want to simply enable the end-to-end encrypted, then what you can do is you need to simply go for the secret conversation. So you can simply choose any chat and then you can go for the upper right, and here you will have go to secret conversation, tap on that, and from here you can simply see that it says end-to-end encrypted. So end-to-end encryption is just secret message option, so your messages will be encrypted. So once you turn on the secret conversation, your end-to-end encryption will be enabled. So that's how you can enable your end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.